Hi, today we're going to be talking about the impedance of the inductor. As we saw in the capacitor's case, we know what impedance is. Impedance is basically the ability that an element has to oppose current through it. In the case of a resistor, the impedance of any element is its resistance plus its reactance that is represented by X here. In the case of a resistor, the impedance of a resistor is simply R. We know in the case of a capacitor, we saw that in a previous video, the impedance of a capacitor is 1 over j omega c. And now we're going to be looking at the impedance of an inductor. The impedance of an inductor is defined as j omega L. So this is useful when we have a circuit, when we have, for instance, such a circuit like this, our L circuit. So we have an input voltage, that's a sinusoidal wave, and we have a resistor, and we have an inductor. So as we saw, exactly like we did with the capacitor circuit, with the RC circuit, we will basically just plug in our impedance here for if we want to analyze our circuit for one particular frequency. That will be our next video. That will be an example of how to solve a circuit when we have one frequency here, or we can just plug it in like this, leaving it with the j omega as is, and then analyze what happens at many frequencies. So this is then the impedance of an inductor, and this is what we're going to be using in the next couple of videos. Thanks for watching.